Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about data structure, the definition of data structure, and the classification of data structure. What is data structure? A data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer. In other words, we can say it is an organized collection of data, which is known as data structure. A data structure can be defined as a group of data elements which provides an efficient way of storing and organizing data in the computer so that it can be used efficiently. So data structure is a combination of organized data plus the operations. So the different or common data structures that are available are the arrays, linked lists, queues, stacks, binary trees, and hash tables. So this is the classification of data structure, where under data structure you have primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. Under non-primitive data structure you have linear and non-linear. Under linear you have static, dynamic, and under non-linear you have tree and graph. Under static you have array, and under dynamic you have linked list, stack, and queue. So data structure can be classified into homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Homogeneous means where all the elements are of the same type. So examples are the arrays, and non-homogeneous data structure are the elements may or may not be of the same type. Example are the records or the classes or the structures. It can also be classified into static and dynamic. So static data structure where the size and the structure associated with that memory location are fixed at the compile time, and dynamic data structure where it can shrink or expand during the program execution as required by the program. Primitive and non-primitive data structure. Primitive data structure which allows you to store only single data type values, and non-primitive allows you to store multiple data types values. And non-primitive data structure is further classified into linear and non-linear. So primitive, under primitive you have integers, float, characters, pointers, and integers are basically which will help you to store discrete values. Float are those which will help you to store decimal fraction numbers, and characters are those which will help you to store alphabets or characters. Pointers are a reference to a data structure. It is a fixed size data item. Non-primitive data structures are a group. It helps or it emphasizes on heterogeneous items. Under that array, you have it is a collection of same data type which is stored in consecutive memory location. Linked list, it has been divided into two, that is information field and link field. Where information field stores the data and the link field is used as a pointer to the next node. Stack, it is in the last in first out order. The two operations which you can perform on stack are push and pop. Queue is first in first out linear data structure where the insertion takes place at the rear end and deletion takes place at the front end. Non-linear data structure where they are not arranged in any order. For example, is a tree, graph. So these are the types of non-linear data structure. Thank you.